What's up, you guys? So today I got a box of goodies from TST Industries. I've got their tail tidy that is adjustable, and then their front side markers or the front blinkers. Amazing design. So today I'm going to be getting all this stuff wired in, put on the bike, and get rid of these dangling little stock blinkers. So right here, I want to make sure I give a big shout out to the guys over at Moto Gross. They let me use this lift for, I believe, 3 hours. I had to rent it from them, but it was one of their member benefits. I was able to use that lift. I got a good discount on the oil because I did an oil change on all this stuff. And they kind of let me have the shop to do my video. They made sure it was quiet in there. And I used all their tools, so I mean, it's a great deal. If you're local to DFW, check these guys out for sure. So there was a good bit of hardware that, if you're not looking at it right, could actually confuse you quite quickly. So right here you can see the short cone head screws go into the actual license plate bracket. The larger 4mm hex goes into the adjuster, and then the very large 5mm hex goes into the adjustment brackets themselves. I left it all loose right now because I'm about to get it thrown up on the bike and show you how to adjust it to where you feel comfortable. Another really cool thing that TST has done is they've offered a block-off plate that is CNC cut. It comes with all new hardware. You can see right here, it's an amazing looking piece of aluminum, and it still allows me to use my stock keyhole here underneath the seat. It has 2 slots for your wiring harnesses to run through, like factory, or for your factory wiring harnesses to run through. With this TST kit, you are going to have to reuse your stock connectors. So like right here, this is my license plate light connector. I am going to have to take the wires out of this connector so that I can put the TST wires into this connector. So as you can see here, this is your stock connector for your license plate light. Black wire is always going to be ground. Green and red is going to be our power line. So I'm going to take that. And then our TST light, I'm going to cut the wires off of this connector, solder these wires in to their place so I can reuse this stock connector. So I was incorrect. That is not heat shrink on those. Did not close them up at all. It just made them gummy. So these bullet connectors, they're usually very resilient. I am going to throw a piece of tape over them just to make sure they don't move at all. But very simple, easy connection. On these front blinkers, I am putting the O-ring right here up against the very top of it. That offers a little bit of like a vibration seal, and it also puts a little bit more strain on it. And then for the keeper, I'm going fins down all the way up against it. And then once I have this ran through there, I will run this up like so. And then there's a lot of little notching areas to set the gap. pretty neat with the way that they work. When the blinker's not activated, you actually get I have lemon yellow, but TST offers quite a few different colors. And then as soon as you hit your blinker, you can see right there, the yellow will kick off and it immediately kicks onto the blinker itself. And then if you throw your hazards on, it turns the yellow off completely. But these lights are insanely bright, especially from behind. I mean, these things, there's no way somebody's not seeing you with those. I do have the adjustable plate, so if I decide I wanted to flip it back, I can do that. And I do have TST's license plate light, which is very, very bright. Overall, I am very, very happy with the way that this install turned out. And sorry for some of the missing footage. My GoPro died halfway through and I did not catch it. So there is a little bit of missing stuff in there, but I'll try and throw as much of it as possible. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.